Hey guys, it's Rob over at Larabi's. I just wanted to give you guys a little update about our giveaway that we're doing. So the giveaway has kind of changed shape. So we've had a lot of people reach out who are truly in need, and I just can't really turn people away. So it's a good thing. I want to be able to help everybody. If you still haven't gotten your club in, we've got about 15 that are already in our system. Have them email me, thelarabis@gmail.com. I'll keep adding people to the list. What we're going to do with that list is we're going to actually do a spin the wheel roulette style between associations on Brian's page. That's Castle Hives. He's been gracious enough to give us a little quote unquote ad space to spin the wheel live on his channel during his live chats. I believe they're bi-weekly. It's really cool. I'm really excited about it. I'm hoping to get some more vendors in who can provide some different products, something that's a little more interesting. I may kick a vaporizer or two in there throughout the year. So it's definitely something that you want to make sure your association has their hat in the ring for, because the way that it'll work is if your association's picked, I'll have their hard address via the email that they send me, and then I'll send it out to them. They'll run a raffle at their local meeting, and then you have a chance of winning that unit, or the smoker that we're going to be doing recently, or a couple hive tools, because we all know we lose hive tools. That's the reality here. So there's a lot of good that's coming out of it. I really do appreciate all the feedback that we've gotten, all the people reaching out to help, all the tips and tricks that we're getting along the way. A lot of this really wouldn't be possible without what Brian at Castle Hives is doing. He really was the one who kind of put the bug in my ear to maybe not directly, he may kind of argue me on that one, but he brought the technology to the table, and this is all about innovating and seeing what we can do next. And this is the biggest contribution I think we can do at a local level, is to try and boost numbers in clubs by doing giveaways and helping people out and hooking them up in a time where they really need it. So if you haven't already, reach out to your club, have a VP, chairman, president, anybody, send me an email. I just need some basic info, club name. I'll get their name and email from the email chain already, and a hard address to send it to. I don't like PO boxes. I'd rather send things to a hard address. That way I can track it a little better and make sure it makes it there. But anyway, I'm going to end it there. Just make sure you're reaching out and checking in at Castle Hives live chats. I'm really excited for him. The next one will be at his next live chat. I don't have it handy, so be sure to check out his channel so you know when the next one is and you don't miss it. So anyway, that's all for tonight. Thanks for checking in. Have a good one.